guys, so today I'm going to show you guys a really great back to school hairstyle that anybody could do if you know how to do knotless braids and braid into the scalp. I think this will be good for school or if you're going back to work, if you're in between hairstyles. It's really quick and easy. So all you need is some pre-stretched braiding hair. I use 1 pack because I didn't need that much hair. I'm cutting it into a bob. And any type of curly hair that you have spare on hand. It's really one of them hairstyles that if you got some extra hair, you can do it real quick and it'll last you 2 to 3 weeks. So if you want to see how I did this cute hairstyle, keep on watching.
From the way it was, jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. I got these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning their life. Still love and still love, and still love and still love, still love. Still love, nothing but love for you, nothing but love, nothing but love. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded, think I forgot. You love me, you love me, you love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m., gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash, won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had a smoke break in about 2 days, no break. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better, you moved on to whoever. I was down for whatever, and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. I got these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning their life. nothing but love. Nothing but love. I don't eat, can't sleep past 9 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel young again. Can't feed them, just join the party. I don't need nobody. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me.
So now that I'm at the end of the hairstyle process, I'm going to go ahead and add some hair moves. This is my favorite part, especially with any bohemian type of style. So I just run my fingers through it and I finger out the curls. It just gives it such a clean look and a clean finish. You need some hair moves for any type of hairstyle. I really love bohemian hairstyles for beginners because you can hide your mistakes with the curls. People can't really see the parts and everything because it's so full from the curly hair. You also don't need to use as much braiding hair, so that saves you money as well. So if you need any hair ideas, I hope this video helps you. Now with this hairstyle, I can put it in a ponytail. I was just showing you I could wear it down. And the main way I'm gonna wear it is with the Bantu knots because I love that type of look. It's very Y2K. I like that. And with my big head, I just really need it. But I really love this hairstyle. Let me know what y'all think about this hairstyle in the comments. If you really like it, if you think I could change something about it. Make sure you guys like and subscribe so you can see more hairstyle inspo from me. And thank you guys so much for watching. Love you. Bye.